So I got me in some new garden shears today. They are made out of carbon steel. They have a secure lock button right here. And the soft material is what it says. Let's open it up and put that to the test. They have a little spring in here as well. So when you open it, be careful. There's a little spring right there. They do feel good. So if you have like rose bushes that need to be trimmed up and cut like this, you should know, see how well they cut. Cut right through it. If you want to cut a rose to take into the house and put into water, there's your fresh rose. Smells good. There we go. Cut as good as scissors. Yeah, we'll see how well they cut the bigger tree branches. The only thing I'm noticing is it opens up pretty wide here. So you're going to have to hold it up closer up here unless you have really big hands. But still very easily managed. It just opens up pretty wide. Something about opening wide though is you're going to have to regroup, put it on there, and then get a hold of it better down here to get more leverage on it. So pretty wide across this part right here would be my only complaint about it, because I love the lock on it and I like the padded grip right here. Everything about it just opens up really wide. So it's one thing to consider, especially if you have smaller hands. Let's see how well it cuts on some like saplings coming off the bottom of the tree. If you have little saplings like this, just easy to take care of there. So other than them being wide, and when you're cutting bigger stuff, having to put it up there and then get a hold of it with both hands. When you're cutting smaller stuff like this, you can hold it up right up here. There's nothing to that. Just cutting the bigger stuff. They're good for what they are. Not for big tree limbs or bigger stuff that you need this spread all the way up because of the width right here. But cutting smaller stuff like rose bushes, saplings off trees, things like that, they work great. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will make a small commission from. Thanks for watching.